Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. I want to talk today about driving and actually asking somebody in front of you to move over. Now obviously when we're speeding, which I'm sure everybody does, if you go 66 and a 65, you're speeding. That's just the way that it is. It's okay, I won't tell anybody. When you're driving and all of a sudden there's somebody in the left lane in front of you and you want them to move over, what do? We flash our brights to ask them to move over. After they move over, how do we thank them? How often are we trained in life that when somebody does something for you, you say thank you and they say you're welcome? So what I do is after they move over, I flash my brights again. And I did that about 10 minutes ago, and somebody actually double tapped their brake. So I said thank you with the lights, and they said you're welcome with the brakes. So why don't we start that? Why don't we, when we acknowledge people for moving over, try to have that happen and have it be something like that? Also, on the other side of it, when you pull in front of someone and they're nice enough to let you in, how many people do the hand wave? How many people do that? Why don't you do that? Listen, somebody does something nice for you, even if it's that simple, acknowledge them. And the reason why is because some people are not in control of their own emotions, and they think that if you don't say thank you, you did something to them. And not everybody's trapped in this mindset, but some people still live in that world that when somebody drives in front of them, they didn't drive in front of them, they cut them off and they did something to them. That's the same person that believes when they go outside in the rain, it's not raining, it's raining on them. All right, try that. Say thank you, say you're welcome, have a wonderful day, I appreciate you, thank you. Oh, did you say you're welcome? I think you did.